High ground to talk. Civilian in critical condition.
Talk to entry team. Copy, EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Get down on your knees! Get
I'll
down
tell you everything.
now! Turn around, don't get up. We're not here for you.
Let me go. I'll tell you everything.
Element to talk. We have a civilian in custody.
Talk reporting. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Itching, man, shit.
Motherfucker! Police, get your hands up! Let me see those hands! Drop it now! Hands on your head, move! Hands up! Down on the ground, now! Police, hands
Explain
up!
everything.
You're gonna be okay.
What are you doing?
Talk. Civilian cuff and prep for evac.
Talk to element. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Turn around. Don't you fucking move.
I was raised in jail, man. I
Need
got
to
dogs
talk.
in there.
Suspect in custody.
Talk to element. Copy entry team. Notifying trailers.
Hands up! Hands on your head! Hands up, do it now! Hands up, now! Get down and keep your hands up! Get down, I want to see hands! Put your fucking hands up! I have to cuff you for our safety.
What the fuck? Go after them, not me.
Entry team to talk. We have a civilian in our custody. High ground to talk. We got one fatality. Suspect.
Talk reporting. Affirmative entry team.
Put the knife on the ground! Down on your goddamn knees, now! Don't move. Stay put.
Please don't do this.
Element to talk. Civilian standing by for trailers.
This is talk. Copy entry team. Notifying trailers.
Talk. We have a civilian down.
Talk reporting. Affirmative entry team.
Police,
wanna
get
get
down!
shot, okay?
Hands up, above your head! Turn around, keep your hands up. Turn around slowly. LSPD, don't move!
I'm sorry.
Leave the talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
Talk to high ground.
Entry team to press.
Roger,
Civilian
trailers
take the door to
inbound.
evac.
Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Get on the ground, now! High ground to talk. We got a dead civilian here.
Talk to entry team. Roger that, entry team. Tag him and keep moving.
Hi, Mudasir. I got your message about the on-site safe. I am trying my best to get that sorted out as soon as possible. I know the ATMs have been a huge problem, and you know Davinci's been having a lot of issues.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees! On your head! Put your hands up!
Fuck this, I'm booking it.
Put your hands up!
I'm not.
Get on the ground, now! Element to talk. Suspect killed.
Talk to high ground. Copy that, entry team. Proceed with mission.